Morning, morning. We're going live here, making up a smoothie. This one here is the carrot apple immunity booster. So let's get blended. Let's get our stuff in here. All right, so what we're gonna do is the reason I wanted to do this particular smoothie this morning is we made almond milk yesterday, and I kind of just wanted to use this almond milk up, to keep it, use it before, it lasts a few days, good 4 or 5 days. But we might as well just use it up. So we're going to be pouring in our almond milk that we made yesterday. And this one here is going to have apple, carrot, some chia seeds, some turmeric, some dates. I'm even going to put a little pepper and turmeric with the turmeric in here this morning, and some cinnamon. So the cinnamon is going to be a really nice addition to this one. I definitely love it when there's a little cinnamon in there. You could put some ginger in there. I almost feel like putting a little ginger in there too, just because we have some ginger out. The recipe itself doesn't call for ginger, but it's your world. You can do what you want to do, right? So we're going to throw some ginger in this one too. All right, so what we're going to do here is we got our almond milk in the blender, and next up we're going to throw this ginger in there. I'm just going to kind of chop it up a little bit, just to kind of help up the blend a little bit. Kind of dice it up. Hope you guys are having a great morning or day if it's afternoon for you. Wherever you are, I hope it's great. All right, so we've got our ginger, we've got our almond milk. We'll get this carrot chopped up and throw that in there. Just kind of chop it up a little bit, help the blender out a little bit. Throw another one in there. And I've got 2 apples this morning. I've got a Cosmic Crisp. The Cosmic Crisps are pretty dang good. And then we also have a Granny Smith that we're going to be throwing in there. So 2 different apples this morning. And we will chop up those apples. Get these in there. Now I won't peel these ones. I did wash them pretty good this morning, but we'll keep the skin on these ones. These are some good organic apples. Same thing, just kind of chop them up just to kind of help the blend a little bit. Good to see you guys. Good to see you. Good morning. Hey. Saying hi to all you guys. Make sure you check out the bundle before it's gone. We've only got 2 days left for this bundle, the Vegan Health Bundle, which you will get all kinds of amazing things in to help you on your travels. All right, get this apple cut up here. All right, so we got our apple in there. Next up, we're going to throw some dates in here. Now, the recipe is 2 dates, and we're doubling this recipe, so I'll put 4 dates in there. And, of course, you could add more dates if you want. Dates are a great way to increase the calories of your smoothie, as well as, you're getting more nutrition, more fiber, more nutrients. Dates are amazing. Dates are definitely a staple in our household. This is kind of a small one. It's crying to be used, so I'm going to throw it in there too. So that's 5 dates actually this morning that we threw in there. Okay, let's crack some pepper in there. A little pepper in the smoothie. It's not going to hurt anything. And then we're going to put some turmeric. We're going to use 1 teaspoon of turmeric. But since we're doubling this recipe, we're going to be putting 2 in there. There we go. 2 teaspoons of turmeric. And then for the cinnamon, we're also going to match that. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Ooh, it's going to be nice. It's going to be so good. All right, and then the chia seeds, we're going to do a tablespoon of chia seeds for the recipe. Doubling it, so 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Get that omega-3. Some good fiber, some healthy fats. All right, there we go. Now, as you can see, our liquid is only up right about here, which is, not even halfway. So I'm gonna add a little more liquid. Let me add a little more water to this, just to kind of thin it out just a smidge, because it'll be a nice thick one. There we go. So I put about a cup of water in there. Then I'm gonna even throw some ice cubes in there because this doesn't have any ice or frozen fruit in there, and I do like the smoothie to be a little bit cold. Both Liz and I like to have it to where it's just a little cooler, and it adds a nice froth to it. All right, there we go. We've got our ice in there. Now, let's vacuum this one. Let's vacuum it. Since we have our vacuum out, get this lid on nice and tight. We'll throw this vacuum on, vacuum out the rest of the air that's in here, and we'll be good to go. Good time to clean up our space while that's vacuuming. All right, there we go. Stuff's washed up. Oh, let's wash our jar real quick. Beautiful. Now we don't have any dishes laying around. Stuff's cleaned up, cutting board, knives wiped down. Makes it nice and easy. Okay, now let's blend this up here. Put on the headphones, you know, protect our ears. There it is, just like that. Let's release this pressure. Listen to this, I love it. This is my favorite part. Letting the air back in. All right, so there we go. This smoothie is ready to go. Look at this beautiful smoothie. Some smoothies have different colors, right? They're not all super, super vibrant. This one is kind of like a brown, but it's gonna taste amazing. And that is because we have that turmeric in there with those apples and carrots. Okay, now that this is still kind of wet, I'm just gonna rinse it. Rinse and wipe with the soapy cloth, and boom, everything is clean. We got our breakfast made just like that in under 10 minutes. Isn't that nice? Doesn't take long. Doesn't take long. All right. Hey, Max, good to see you. Looks good. He says, yeah, you know, I wish you could try, buddy, because this one here, gonna taste so good. It does taste so good. And so much fiber, which really entices you to chew, which releases that saliva. The amylase starts helping the digestive process. So nice. Do you have a nice cream ebook for the Ninja Creamy? I know you were playing with some recipes for it. Yes, Heidi, I do. And it's not in this bundle. They're in the bundle, though. There is a nice cream book. I don't know if it's formulated for the Ninja Creamy, but in my store, which I don't have linked in my bio right now, I do have a book called Wholesome Scoops, and it was formulated for the Ninja Creamy. So yeah, check that out if you're into it. You could send me a message, and I could send you the link to the store. The book is in there, and we got 40% off the books right now. So, and I believe that I have 24 recipes in that book, and the Creamy is amazing. That machine is so awesome. You could take this right here, blend this up, boom. Maybe you make two, you have one for breakfast. You could pour this into the Creamy machine, and this could be some nice cream right here. My gosh, it makes me want to like pour one in there, and we could just have this as nice cream tomorrow. if I would have done that, I wouldn't have added water. I just would have had the almond milk, would have had a little thicker, and then just pour this in, have this as the nice cream. Ooh. So good. So this smoothie, packed with vitamin C. Of course, we're getting good fiber. It's going to support our immune system. Going to give us some good energy. We've got, so the recipe essentially is 375 calories, but we doubled it, right? So basically each listen I have right around 400 calories because I did add that extra date. So it's 5% protein, 79% carbs, 16% fat. And really with the carrots and the apples, you know, we're getting that good vitamin C, supporting our immune system. And then we also have the turmeric, which is anti-inflammatory. And then we got the chia seeds for the fiber and the omega-3s. And of course, there's lots of fiber in the dates and the carrots and the apples and everything, right? It's loaded with fiber. So this is a really fun one right here. It's almost like a carrot cake, or maybe even slightly like an apple pie. With that cinnamon. So good, so good. Right on, you guys. Well, that was it. There we go. Isn't it amazing how fast you can blend up stuff and have a delicious breakfast? This, of course, you know, I mean, this could be a lunch. Maybe you don't have much time and you're like, you know, maybe not feeling like having a solid lunch. You could just have a liquid lunch right here. Bless. Well, that was it, guys. We have 2 days left for the bundle. Be sure to tap the link up here. Go check out the bundle before it's gone. See if there's some stuff in there that you'd like. There's all kinds of really amazing recipes in there. I'm really excited to try some of these recipes that we have in there. And we will see you on the next one. Love you guys.